Pokemon and McDonald's are collaborating as we speak, but this collaboration is like no other. Whether you're a Pokemon TCG Pocket player, a Pokemon Go player, or you're new to Pokemon, there is so much to get into and so many events happening as we speak. So, by all means, buckle in, lock in, because if you're pulling up to McDonald's, well, we got a whole lot to talk about. So, one of the things that I want to talk to first is some of the events and all these things happening. So, basically, this is something that McDonald's and Pokemon tend to do every few years or so, I would say. And starting January 21st, nationwide, in store or through the app, you can pretty much go and get a Pokemon Happy Meal. It's dragon themed, right? So, dragon type Pokemon themed. And they have these four kind of boxes. They look really, really cool. And if you are a Pokemon TCG Pocket player who orders a Happy Meal on the McDonald's app, you're going to get 24 hourglasses and 12 Wonder Hourglasses, which is a really cool thing. And if you are a Pokemon Go player, you can go to McDonald's and get a Pokemon Go Pokestop rewards. Um, these they run through the weeks of January 20 to 26, February 10 to February 16, March 10 to March 16, and apparently they will have 5-star raids. So really, really interesting. So they have a lot of things going on right now. It looks like they're definitely gonna make you go to McDonald's, because honestly, I don't think I've ever heard of raids happening at a McDonald's or a fast food franchise or anything like that. So McDonald's is definitely gonna be busy. So if you are a Pokemon Go player, it looks like you are going to be getting some good rewards. If you're a Pokemon TCG Pocket player, those hourglasses are pretty cool if you ask me. A really cool thing to get. So by all means, definitely some really cool things, regardless of which Pokemon game you put your energy into. Definitely looks like a lot of people are going to be having fun. When it comes to the cards, here are the cards. It looks like there's 15 cards to get, which is pretty typical for a Pokemon TCG collaboration with McDonald's. You usually about 15 or 20 cards. So we got Dragonite, we got Pikachu, which Pikachu's the goat. Roaring Moon, that's a one amazing mon. Koraidon, Moraidon. So you got Charizard, so Rayquaza. You got an amazing amount of cool cards here that look truly amazing. You can see the moves. Um, you can just see really dominant cards, by the way, that you could probably use. I don't know if you can use these in a TCG deck. I think you could. They do look legit. But by all means, we have some really cool looking cards here. Really, really cool looking. So basically, if you are someone who is interested in going to McDonald's, from now for who knows how long, I don't know how long it's running for, maybe a month or so, let's say. It is starting now. You can go and you could pretty much get a pack of Pokemon cards when you get a Happy Meal. This is a usual tradition. The Happy Meals will look like this, and they will pretty much be a pretty much like a Pokemon pack inside. It looks like it'll be featuring 4 of 15 TCG cards. So it looks like the booster pack will have 4 cards, if I'm not mistaken. So basically, that is pretty much that. So you buy the Happy Meal, and you get a deck inside, which will have 4 out of 15 cards. And basically, if you want to collect them all, that's up to you. They definitely look like some really, really cool cards here. Nothing too special, but they definitely look really cool. Besides that, you guys have seen the trailer. There are probably going to be some other things that come along, some drawing pictures, some stuff you could draw and paint. This is what the Happy Meal will be like: some chicken nuggets, apple slices, maybe a milk or a soda. These are the cards again. And if you are on mobile, there is a game you could play. These are probably going to be some extra stuff. So there's probably going to be some stickers, some other things that also come along with it. And again, a donation is made every time you buy a Happy Meal. So that is really, really cool right there. They're doing some really good stuff. So overall, really, really cool. 4 kind of boxes you can get. So if you're a TCG player, TCG Pocket player, you're gonna get some rewards. Pokemon Go player, you're gonna be pretty happy. By all means, this will be in McDonald's USA, by the way, just for anyone who's wondering. Doesn't say how long it's gonna. Doesn't say how long, so it probably just runs until it runs. But it's starting literally right now. So there it is. There it is. I want to thank everyone for watching. I hope you. I want to thank you all for watching. Truly grateful for everyone who watched. And by all means, if you are a Pokemon TCG player, if you're someone who loves Pokemon or plans on going to McDonald's, well, by all means, there is definitely a treat for you. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Consider subscribing, commenting which card's your favorite.